This is Julio. So I've spoken to the client and wanted to show you some things we went through. So let's click right here. Alright, so the school registers, that's fine. I didn't receive an email though, so that's an issue. But what I'll do is I'll register as a member in the background. Yeah. So while that's registering as a teacher, I'll just sign in as a teacher. Okay, so join us, that's fine. Yeah, let's register as a teacher. So I don't know why my computer's so slow, but anyway, one of the first things, I logged in as a teacher, but I could see that it's admin school. So there's an issue right there. Don't know what is going on. So I'll type in teacher. And I also remember seeing front end somewhere. Not too sure what's happening there. Go-kart, admin. There we go, front end login. So is this what needs to happen? But it redirects to this, so you could see the frustration is there. Not too sure what is happening. Now, I have got other links as well, such as this one here. Welcome teacher. So, and there was front end too, so I'm getting really lost. Doesn't seem to be logging in now. So can you please double check these processes, because it's really frustrating and embarrassing because the client doesn't know what to believe. I keep telling them it's fine, but it's not. So anyway, so first of all, this is a teacher sign up. I can see the menus on the left hand side. Now, if this is from your local host, please double check before you update stuff. It's very important. Alright, so let's do this. Yeah. Date of birth, sure. So what I wanted to show you here is the postcode. Now, the client said that we live there. So the thing is that the teachers live, let's just say, at a certain postcode, but we should be able to add more, like for example, just have a look here as an example. Like we did this with you the other day, 3214. 2114, 2000, 2001, and keep going. I think if you can have a limit or no limit, that'll be fine. That's what we want, because there are some, for example, you're in Hawthorne, so what that means is that you can literally, if you're a teacher, you could work around Hawthorne, Richmond, CBD, Docklands, Camberwell. There's a lot of surrounding suburbs, so we can't limit to the one postcode. Another thing that the client mentioned is that availability dates. It's actually, we had this incorrect, so it's the other way around. It's unavailability dates. So what this means is every day from Monday to Friday is by default available. Now what the teachers do is check their unavailability. So let's just say, for example, Friday I'm unavailable. They uncheck that. So see how it's blue? What we could do is have it all blue, which means they are available just by default, available every single day. This is just logged in as fresh user. It's all ready to go. However, if I actually say, no, I'm not working that day, I uncheck, and that would be, say, it doesn't have to be color coded, it doesn't matter. If it's going to cost more time and more effort, what we want is to reduce this. The client said we don't have budget for this, so we can have, if you can color code this as a different unavailable, that's great. Or what you can do is have the background of the menu a grey, so you can clearly see that the days available are blue or green. Status, now we're not sure what this means. Status, available, unavailable. It may have been in the flow chart, but now it doesn't make sense, because what I wanted to show you is, okay, we'll hit submit. Another thing that I wanted to know is what kind of files can they upload? Is it PNG, doc, PDF, TIFF? What kind of file? It's just, yeah, it's just for compatibility purposes. Okay, now what I wanted to show you as a school admin, let's have a look here. No, still loading. See, there's a problem there. All right, let's log in as a school. So if I'm logged in as a school, why can't I see other things? Right now, it's just not right. I just don't know what's happening. I was pretty sure it was a school, but now looks like I'm admin. It's just not right. Very frustrating. These are the only links I have, Shuganda. Not sure where they are. No, I don't know. Oh, look at that. You could see the password. That's not right. So this one right here, is this for admin? Not too sure. This seems to be the admin login, so I guess it should go to the teacher or school login as a general rule of thumb. So maybe I can log in, but this is the admin. This isn't what I want. Sorry about this. I guess it could be me, it could be the user, but if I'm the project manager and I'm talking to the client and we can't log in, it's quite an issue. We can't present to the client very well. So if you can have a look at that, that would be awesome. Sorry, that's a different website. Sorry, I'm going to have to leave you because I don't know how I can check the schools again, create a job. But basically what I wanted to show you is that as a school, when you log in as a school administrator, what you want to see is on the home page are favorites. Now, I am sure I had this before. What's going on? Anyway, when you log in as a school admin, you want to see the home page as a admin. The home page is favorites. So the favorites is able to search by postcode, multiple postcodes, which is on the search box. So the search box, it's around the top area. The search box is able to show me different postcodes, and the teacher has different postcodes that they've entered. That's how the system should work. Alright, here we go. Don't know what happened there. See, it's now logged in as school. So let's just go 2000. So nothing there, that's fine. 3000. Okay, there's one. So what's happening here? So how come this fellow is able to add multiple postcodes? Where did he do that? Is my question. Add new job. Right, okay, so this is the job description. So it's possible to add multiple postcodes for the job. So what we want is the teacher. So the home page is not existing jobs. The home page is favorite teacher. And what we want as well is we want to display favorite teachers and everyone available on that day as the school admin logs in for that day is what we want to display. That is the default page. As soon as someone logs in on the school admin, they see that page with exactly what we're looking at here, which is good. We want to be able to have favorite as well, which is there. That's great. I saw it there. Yeah, favorite. And we want to be able to see the day available. If they're available today, display them here. If they're not available, do not display them. So the status available or unavailable, we don't need that. That's irrelevant. Alright, thank you very much. Talk to you next week.